Hey, are you doing keto but not losing weight? You might be making these 3 huge mistakes that are ruining your results. Stay tuned because I'm breaking them down and telling you exactly how to fix them. Mistake number 1, relying on keto-friendly packaged foods. Keto breads, bars, and snacks might say low carb, but they're often filled with hidden sugars and unhealthy ingredients. Many of these products use misleading labels with net carbs that trick you into thinking they're keto-friendly when they're actually spiking your blood sugar. Instead, stick to whole, unprocessed foods like eggs, meat, fish, and healthy fats. Your body will thank you. Mistake number 2, overloading on dairy and nuts. I get it. Cheese, almonds, and keto fat bombs taste really amazing. But here's the problem. Dairy and nuts are super high in calories, and they don't trigger satiety like protein does. This makes them easy to overeat, which can stall your weight loss fast. If you're struggling, try going dairy-free and nut-free for just 2 weeks. You might be shocked by the difference. And mistake number 3, not adjusting your fat intake. A lot of people think keto means eating 80% fat, but that's not true for weight loss. The key is keeping carbs very low, eating enough protein, and adjusting fat intake based on your ultimate goals. If you have body fat to lose, you don't need to add tons of butter and oil. Your body will use its own fat for fuel. Want to speed up fat loss? Lower dietary fat and increase your protein. There you have it. 3 major keto mistakes that could be stalling your weight loss. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with which mistake surprised you the most. Let's crush those goals together.